forget everything you know about bread being just empty calories. Real bread is a complex biological system. This vibrant color isn't just for aesthetics. The real secret is turmeric and black pepper. Today I'll show you how to turn flour into a golden antioxidant superfood using only wild yeast, time and the laws of physics. It all starts with my 100% active sourdough starter at its peak. I know, this part can be intimidating. Drop a comment below if you want me to record a full step-by-step guide on how to create your own starter from scratch. I always use a blend of bread and whole wheat flour to pack it with fiber and nutrients. Piperine increases the bioavailability of curcumin by 2000%, making every slice a powerful boost from your immune system. The best part is anyone can do this. You can mix the water, flour and spices with a simple wooden spoon. Critical detail. The dough temperature should not exceed 22 degrees at the start. Adjust it by adding ice-cold water depending on the season. Avoid warming the dough with your hands. We must protect the structure. Autolyse is a vital stage. It allows the flour to fully hydrate and starts natural gluten development. Next, we work in sea salt. It enhances the flavor and strengthens the dough structure. Let it rest for another 45 minutes. My favorite part is stretching. This is when we add olives, dried herbs and lemon zest. Be gentle, don't tear the fibers. After another 45 minutes rest, perform delicate coil folds every hour for 2 hours. I am dividing the dough into 2 loaves to show you the difference between the professional oven and the standard home oven. The shaping method is simple, but creates the perfect tension for a beautiful oven spring. Then we go for a 12 or 40 hours cold fermentation. The dough is ready when it slowly bounces back after a poke. For this loaf, I use a double cut. If you want me to explain the scoring technique in detail, let me know in the comments. Second, make sure to preheat your pot before baking. now the result. Check for a hollow sound when you tap the button. Back in our family bakery, this bread was a huge hit. I highly recommend trying it with just a bit of cream cheese. It's incredible. If you appreciate food as science and art, please like and comment. It truly helps the channel grow. Subscribe to Bake with Science. Thank you for watching and see you soon.